If you've been watching this series, you already know that you don't have a traffic problem, you have a conversion problem. And video, especially live video, is one of the fastest ways to fix it. But the next question becomes, what do I actually say when I go live? Most people get stuck on this because they think, I need to be more confident, I need to be more polished, and I need to be better on camera. You actually don't. You need structure, because without structure, you ramble, you miss key points, and you forget to actually sell. And the result, people watch, but they don't buy. So instead of guessing, I want to give you a simple framework that you can use every time you go live. And this is what I have personally done for years in live selling, both in the TV home shopping space, selling $250 million in product, but also in the live streaming, the live shopping space. And what I now teach brands and founders. Here's the framework to my signature live shopping method. Start by calling out the problem, not your product. This is what stops the scroll and pulls people in. Now you have to expand on it. Show the audience that you understand what they're experiencing. This builds connection because people don't buy unless they feel seen. Now introduce your product, not here's what I am selling, but as here's what actually solves this. I see this all the time. Many times you want to list off all the features, but instead focus on the outcome, focus on the benefits. Explain what makes it different and answer why this over anything else. Show it, use it, explain it as you go. And this is where belief happens because now your audience can see what you're talking about. Something a lot of people don't think of is offering that permission to buy. It's subtle, but it's powerful. And don't forget the call to action. You need to tell them what to do clearly, confidently. Don't assume they know. You actually have to guide them. Most people, they skip steps. They jump to here's the product. But if you haven't created relevance, built understanding, and established trust, the sale, it doesn't happen. When you follow a structure like this, you stop feeling awkward, unsure, and all over the place. You start feeling clear, confident, and in control. And the audience feels that. So if you've been thinking about going live, but you've been holding back because you are unsure of what to say, you can start here. Because when you have structure, you don't have to be perfect, but you do have to be clear. And if you want help building this out for your brand, from your messaging to your flow, to the products you sell, to what you say, this is exactly what I help founders and brands do.